Bye, have a great time.
You have time?
Check my phone. What the? Oh, I got that on camera. Oh. As you can see, guys, that was not a smart move. It's 2:30. I'm trying to reach my phone, there goes snow in the windshield. I can't even see out of it. Truck feels a lot better. I don't know, something about it just feels different.
That's fixed.
Yeah. Stanley was talking about the Ford there, and Rolly said he might pick it up today, depending on how fast we get things done.
And you gonna pick it up?
No, Rolly is. Depending on how fast we get done. Get some sleep there. So there's a guy that wants this truck.
Oh, you did?
No, I'm asking you. Tow haul. Yep. He's Stanley. As you can see, guys, what he did earlier, like, okay, so when we left, when we started driving down the road, as you can see, when he accidentally put the blade down, wasn't paying attention, and as you seen all that snow get on the windshield. Yeah, we all know it ain't safe. That wasn't a smart move. You could have crashed into a ditch, crashed into somebody. Anything could have happened at that time. But don't worry, everything's okay. Just so you guys know. So we're doing the sidewalks right now. And then I'm pretty sure our boss here is going to be giving us a hand. So he said he was coming, so who knows. He'll say one thing and then 2 minutes later you'll say, okay, I'm going here. So who knows? Who knows what's up? Fuck, this could have been a good job for a snowblower, but we don't have it on hand, so who knows? Okay, volume's up. Oh boy. Alright. It's not even, it's like hardly, you can't even feel the cold. And I wish it was like this in my grandmother's place. But the only problem is, actually this temperature right now, I don't know what the temperature is. I think it's like minus 15. But if we had that exact temperature at my grandmother's, we would be able to take so many videos But if it's anywhere up till about, I say minus 22 and above, it's hard to do videos because when you're on, like when you're standing still doing a video is fine, but when you're up in the machines and stuff, all that wind, cold air wind impact against an object or a camera will freeze your battery because it's so cold. But I thought I'd try a modification on my GoPro case. So I'll try like a modification kind of thing where I'll put, I don't know what I'm gonna put, but I'm gonna make something that acts like an installation for my camera, so when the cold air wind impact hits the GoPro case, it doesn't really freeze the battery right away. So hopefully it'll prevent it from getting nice and cold. So probably won't happen until next year. Who knows? Depending on how much time I have. So I know. So I guess so. Who knows? Sometimes I talk to myself weird. Alright, it feels so slippery out here right now. It feels like an ice rink of some sort. Throw some salt on me. Oh, that's lovely. Busted open the fucking bag, so I scooped all. We still got quite an amount. I'm gonna try and salt the best we can here. Fucking slushy today. It's not slushy, but gonna make this bag last. Slippery. Save some for the back. Hope the camera view is good for you guys. So, I know you probably don't give a fuck about what I'm doing here, but I'm just doing it for the shits and giggles, I guess. Why not? Take the use of my morning. It's currently 2:33 o'clock in the fucking morning. And yes, that's when we do it because it's the best day to do it, because you don't have to get all these cars and fucking people that want to get in and pass out, or not pass out, but pass by. So, yeah, I'll see you guys in the... So anyways, guys, my boss just came. I just finished my job. Now we're on to the next one. So, I'll have to go from there, I guess. I know this is a pointless vlog, but I like to do it for fun, you know? With,
Hi, can I get a medium coffee black with one sweetener, please? And a small hot chocolate with one shot of milk. And make another...
What, sorry?
Make,
Zombie apocalypse.